Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this deer skin rug, some close-ups, and what I think about it. So what we have here is a deerskin rug, and it is roughly about 60 inches width-wise, total width, and about 77 total length. This is a faux fur deer skin rug. So this is what it looks like right after it was delivered. You just lay it out. There might be some crinkles in it based on how it was shipped, but that's kind of starting to go away and could definitely be kind of combed out or even vacuumed out, I would say. But just want to kind of give like a straight out of the package overview of this. The edges up close are all sewn. It has a very soft, realistic, I'd say definitely realistic feel to it. You can see how the fur goes back and forth based on, kind of how it's being moved. The bottom actually feels like real leather though. That's the thing. This has got it's almost like a hide type material. Might be real. Very actually surprisingly soft, and but very, very cool. So you can see from this angle, kind of like the as if it was like skinned, if that makes sense. Very, very nice pattern on it. Looks realistic for sure. But you can see sort of it's not symmetrical in the design. Close, but not 100% symmetrical to give definitely more of a realistic look to it, which more likely is the objective. Thickness-wise, I'll kind of give you an idea here. Thickness-wise, it's including the thickness of the fur. Like if it's sticking up, definitely closer to maybe an inch. But if it's like squished down, quarter of an inch or so, something to where if you wanted it to kind of go under, let's just say a door, it's not going to grab. Could be put down over a rug. In this example, hardwood. I would think just from a sliding standpoint, if you're going to put it on hardwood, so it can be pulled like this, probably would want to put whatever it's called that would go underneath this, trimmed out to help. I can't remember what it's called, but it's kind of like has like a grip to it, and that would prevent it from actually kind of moving. But the hide type material on the bottom has a little bit of a texture to it. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, give us your honest review of this deer skin rug. Hopefully all that came across, and we'll talk to you soon.